In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Chrome not opening in less than 1 minute. First thing, go down here into the search for Chrome, click on your right mouse, click on open file location, and click again here on your right mouse, click on properties, click on this compatibility option, and click on run compatibility troubleshooter. After that, enable this option and choose Windows 8 here, and then click apply and OK. After that, all what you want to do is restart your PC and reopen Google Chrome, and the problem must be solved. So don't forget to like and subscribe.